primetime news this evening, senior member of the JCF raises alarm about the number of children involved in crime. Man accuses security forces of physical abuse. And body of missing Trenchtown resident found.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, this evening we're talking about the resilience of the tourism sector. And in the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl, the tourism minister is reporting that 50,000 tourists visited Jamaica. I'll have that and more in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Jermaine Brown, I keep saying it needs to be track and field. So what's this sports news in track and field this year?
I tell you what, Archie, well, the Olympic Games is coming up, and we've said a lot about track and field. Our swimmers will also be heading to Paris, so we'll tell you about them a bit later on.
See, it's not just about the track. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what has it been like without electricity?
I can't imagine. You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.